What a great piece of wall art! We will discover in this video an extraordinary talent. It is the work of Fabio, a very graphic painter. His work is strongly influenced by nature. The portrait is quite blend into nature. This painting technique is practiced to perfection. You will love this portrait of Rihanna with the branch of these tree as a hairstyle. The result is very perfect. He is much in demand in this community to embellish the facade, as you can see. He knows how to choose the appropriate colors to enhance the walls. His portrait is simply beautiful. The afro haircut of this little girl made of the branches of this tree is a real success. Well done, Fabio. He has built up a strong community on social networks that continues to grow. It's all down to this amazing artist. Tell us in the comments how you find the portraits of this artist. Thank you for following us until the end and stay connected on your favorite channel TrendyLand. Goodbye.